Press and hold the power button to power on. LED indicators start flashing. Go to Settings, turn on Bluetooth. Search and pair with TB-04 秒. Go to Settings, Accessibility. Slide down screen. Lock screen rotary. Slide down. Slide Open left. TikTok app. Slide right. Double-click to likes. Open TikTok camera. If the capture button is not functioning, open TikTok camera settings. Set the volume key function as capture. If it is still not functioning after setting the volume key function as capture, press the joystick and capture buttons at the same time to switch key value. Press capture button to see if it works. Try multiple times until it works. If the above actions cannot work, press both buttons at the same time for 10 seconds. The indicator lights on constantly, suggesting it enters the adjusting mode. Release the key and use up, down, left and right to adjust the dot to the appropriate position for photographing. Double-click the joystick button to confirm and exit. Press the capture button to confirm it starts working.